Switching to clean energy is a big step, and we're thrilled you've chosen Palmetto to take it with you. As your installation gets started with one of our trusted partners, we just want to take a moment to say hello and share what you can expect as a Palmetto customer. Our mission is simple: make clean energy easy, affordable, and available to everyone. For more than 15 years, we have helped homeowners like you switch to solar, HVAC, battery storage, and other clean energy solutions, saving money and making a lasting impact on the planet along the way. When you choose Palmetto, you're not just getting great products, you're getting a team that's with you from start to finish, making sure everything feels clear, simple, and stress-free. With LightReach, our flexible financing and service plan, you don't need to worry about big upfront costs. You can start saving on energy right away while we keep an eye on your system to make sure it's working the way it should. And this isn't just about today, it's about the years ahead. We're here for the long run, with support whenever you need it. Thank you for choosing Palmetto. We're here to help you enjoy all the upside of clean energy without the stress.